Hey guys, so I want to quickly do a quick video. So my monitor is here now. I'm also gonna pick it up downstairs. I'll just show you guys the video when as I'm going. Yeah. Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a quick unboxing video for you guys to see. So this just came in from iStore, and I have like new additions to my workspace, basically Apple product. So well, on my workspace I don't have more than my table and my chair and my new, like my now old laptop, MacBook Pro 2019. For the longest time I've been planning to, like, set up my workspace, but yeah, now I finally have the opportunity to. So I'm still expecting my monitor to come in, but yeah, some of the new things that just came. I have like the magic keyboard, the magic mouse, Apple, um AirPods. This AirPod, I think it's AirPod Pro, I'm not sure, but yeah. And then lastly, the MacBook Pro M1 Pro. Even though new, there's a new version that just came out recently for MacBook Air. Well, this one is 16 gig RAM and 512 SSD memory. I'll be showing you guys like the I don't know if you can see it, but I'll be like unboxing it for you guys to see. Okay, so so which one are we going for first? First of all, I want to check out this AirPods, because I know that I've always wanted one. I usually use headsets, but I know like most times when I want to go outside, I don't want to carry my headsets with me. This AirPod will come in handy, and then it has like noise cancelling feature and all. So I don't know if you can see this. There's nothing much here basically, just the charger and yeah, like earpod itself. Okay. Okay. So where's my phone? Okay. I've forgotten I'm using my phone to record. But yeah. So this is what this looks like. Okay, so up next, let me just pack this back in. Very for sure. Yeah, whatever. Just put this somewhere here, and then let's open this magic mouse. I mean, I'm not a fan of mouse, but like since I'll be using a monitor, I figured that the mouse would be much convenient compared to using the trackpad system. So this taking so long. Okay. Wow. So like I said, I'm not a fan of mouse, but I know a lot of people use all this gaming mouse. I'm sure my friend usually mentioned Logitech mouse to me. But yeah, I think this would be nice. I know people complain about the design of this Apple mouse because you can only charge it at the back. But yeah, I like the simplicity. Although there's this thread that someone dropped on Twitter yesterday about minimalistic design and how accessibility is struggling because everybody's trying to design something minimal. Okay, let's put this by the side. So I also want to open this keyboard. And so opening Apple products is actually fun. Somebody said it's a good therapy exercise. Imagine you buying Apple product just to feel good. Sorry, I'm struggling to tell this line. I'm not a fan of external keyboard also. Well, you know, like I mentioned, since I'm guessing a monitor, I figured this would be nice to have also. And since it is Apple, it will have like the same feel as, hopefully, as my laptop, so there won't be much difference. Surprisingly soft. I think the texture looks or feels like I'm not sure if it is still the butterfly or type of keys or like the one on MacBook Pro 2019. Anyways, yeah, so this is this, and then there's this charger there. Okay. So lastly, the one that I'm looking forward to opening is definitely this. Yeah, let's do this. Are you guys ready? Because I know I am. Okay. So let's open this up. Yeah. I mean, I like the smell. Okay. I think this is thicker than this one. Yeah, it's thicker. That means I'll still prefer thicker and slimmer. I said this is slimmer, the 2019 or number anyway. Oh. Woo. Okay, so yeah. Let's put this down. Let's check the accessories that came with it. Okay, what is this? Probably the manual something. This is the manual. Oh, okay. This sticker stuff. Anyways, so here's the charger. mean, I don't know how I feel about this Apple charger being so big. Yeah, so there's the difference between this charger and the former MacBook design is now they are back with this magnetic mount. So when you plug your system, it's automatically magnets, or it sticks to the port. So it's different from, but I guess you can still use the normal Type-C Thunderbolt charger also. Yeah. Let's open this up. I mean, this feels weird. Ooh. Okay, so let's remove this. Why is this sticking?
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Oh, this still feels weird. Can't get used to this laptop. To be honest, I like the feel of this old one. Let's just use one. This is much flatter and slimmer and slicker. I guess my opinion, sharp. Anyone can add. Guys, so I want to quickly do a quick video. So my monitor is here now. I'm also gonna pick it up downstairs. I'll just show you guys the video when I'm going. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my monitor just came in, so I'll be doing a quick unboxing video for it now, and then I'll compile it with the rest that I did earlier. Let's get started. So let's just cut some more hair off this nylon. So they have this one. So the monitor is a Dell product. They call it Dell P2721Q. It's 27 inches. It's 4K, so like the quality is good. So from the review that I read online, I heard that if you are getting a 4K monitor, it's better you get a smaller screen. That will be nice with the resolution. If you are like using it, if you are going to be using it with your MacBook, basically. So yeah. Let's see. Okay, I guess this is okay. I remove this. Yeah. Oh my. Ooh, wow. It's like where I saw it online. I know you guys can't see this right now because I'm the only one recording this, so I don't know how I'm supposed to place my camera so I can see. Wow. Yeah, so I guess this is the manual, and this is the bottom of the, what's it called, the monitor. And then these are the cables. So one thing about the monitor is that I don't need to start looking for, it has HDMI cable, and then it has Type-C cable also, which makes it easy to connect to my laptop. So there won't be need for me to be looking for an adapter to connect my HDMI to connect to my laptop, so which is a good thing. And I can also charge my laptop with it. So this is the arm, or should I, yeah, I don't know whether I call it arms or, yeah, whatever that would hang the hanger that will hang the monitor. And I heard it's adjustable. So I don't know where yet, but I know it's adjustable. I know it can turn it 360 degrees. Okay, so there's a technique to like removing this thing. So people know they will normally like, let me just show you, this is it. So the technique is that from the video I watched online, you place this is the arm or the, whatever that's probably the arm or the angle, you place it here and then it clips, then you remove it with it. So yeah, so I watched a couple of videos, so now the set stop snowing. There's nothing in the carton again. I guess my mistake is that I was supposed to fix that button before I removed the screen. Let's fix this first. Some steel. Oh, see, I'm sweating. I'm not sure if you're supposed to like rotate. Just, yeah, and you can make it like vertical. Into the horizontal. And then, yeah. So let's stop this video right here so I can drink the remaining things and then arrange this table. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, welcome back. So apparently I have to like arrange all these things before I record again because I'm really one recording it and I don't know like how to like arrange the camera so that you see me. So apparently I have to just like do the recording and stuff like that. So I want to plug. I have to just use scatter it now because I want to plug this so I can put it on. Yeah. So I want to. Oh, so it's not this like color I'm looking for. Yeah, this one. Let's see. See, I'm sweating. Alright guys, so this is like the end of this video. Like I really planned it very well that I would like be taking you guys through how I would like arrange everything, but what I've been through this night alone. So while I was recording, they took the lights the other time, so I had to go and look for where to get fuel before I can like start recording again. But like immediately I go back, I'm already too tired, so I had to just like arrange what I want to arrange and then just do like recording of what it looks like at the end of the day. But like at least you still saw like the unboxing was like the major part of it. I'm so happy that I finally have a workspace at least. I know my quality of work will definitely improve with this workspace, with this bigger screen, especially because for the longest time I know I've wanted to like get one. So yeah, thanks for sticking around and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm your Valentino, slip me on and take me home. Take me home. Let me pull you closer, spending too much time alone.